was about to establish his feet in Bihar politics. He used to talk big. One of the big things he said was that he used to target the leaders coming from political families, in which Tejaswi Yadav and Samrat Chaudhary were at the forefront. He used to say that in Bihar, every time someone enters politics from the same family, which has been in Bihar politics for a long time, every time people from the same family enter politics again, the faces may be new, but the families are old. He used to say that there are 1 to 50 families in Bihar, and all the MPs and MLAs who have been elected in the last 30 years all come from these 1 to 50 families. Why does the new not get a chance? Why is the new not pouch into politics? He used to say that tickets are given to the KK family, ignoring the ability. There are such people in RJD, JDU and Congress. He used to say that governments keep changing, parties keep changing, but it is only these 1 to 50 families of Bihar who are in control. Prashant Kishore had even called politics a family business. Now the person to whom he has given the most important post of national president of Jan Swaraj belongs to Purnia in Bihar. He has a strong influence in politics and administration. Uday Singh is a big name in politics. National president of Jan Swaraj is Pappu Singh of Bihar. Yes, this is the same Pappu Singh who has been in Bharatiya Janata Party and Congress Party. There was also news from inside source that Pappu Singh had full support in making Pappu Yadav with as an independent candidate from Purnia. Pappu Singh is a big name in Bihar. He has an old relationship with politics and administration as well. Pappu Singh has been an MP from Purnia in the year 2004 and 2009. Both times he has won on the ticket of Bharatiya Janata Party. He joined BJP in the year 2004 at the behest of Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Before this, he was in Congress. In the year 2019, he again joined Congress. As soon as he joined the Congress party, there was a lot of talk about his contesting once again. Pappu Singh's mother Madhuri Singh has been a two-time MP from Purnia from the Congress party. His father TP Singh was a senior officer of the Indian Civil Service. His elder brother NK Singh is a retired IAS and has been a Rajya Sabha MP from JDU. While he is currently with the BJP party, he was made the chairman of the 15th Finance Commission by the central government in 2017, whose term is completed in 2023. Pappu Singh also has a sister. He has 4 sisters. 2 of his sisters have been IAS officers. One of his sisters, Shama Singh, is the daughter-in-law of former Bihar CM Satya Narayan Sinha. Her husband Nikhil Kumar has been an IPS officer. Then he has been a governor. Nikhil himself has been a Lok Sabha MP from Aurangabad. His father has also been an MP from here 7 times. Shama Singh herself has also been an MP from this seat.